Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making one of my favorite smoothies for the fall, and that is my sweet potato smoothie. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is around 1.5 cups of frozen and cubed sweet potato chunks. Now that was about 1 large sweet potato. Now if you want to know how I cook my sweet potatoes perfectly in the Instant Pot or how I take them and freeze them, you can find the links for those above or below. Now we also are going to need some spices. I'm using half a teaspoon of cinnamon and then 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg and clove. And then we're also going to need a cup of water, half a cup of a plant-based milk, and I'm using my walnut milk, and then a tablespoon of maple syrup. Now if you don't find this sweet enough, which I think you will, but if not, you can always add some more maple syrup, or you can add in some date paste or some date syrup if you prefer that. And then we're also going to be using my blender bottle for my Ninja Auto IQ food processor and blender. So I'll be using this. So we're going to come on in here and get this started. All right, to get started, all we're going to need to do is just load up our blender bottle. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my cup of water, my half a cup of a plant-based milk, and this is walnut milk. And then we've got our tablespoon of maple syrup, and then our spice mix, which you can always change up depending on your spice preference. And then we're going to take our 1.5 cups of cubed and frozen sweet potato, load it in the blender bottle, and this should be blended up nicely in roughly around 30 seconds, maybe less. We'll see. All right, that took 15 seconds. Consistency looks good. If I can get this opened up, which I think I can. I'll wait until I get the kitchen tidied up. I'm gonna get the kitchen tidied up, we'll get the blender opened up and put into a nice glass jar, and I'll let you know how I like it. All right guys, I'm back. I got the kitchen tidied up. I got the blender opened up finally, and I'm ready to give this sweet potato pie smoothie a try. Super creamy, and that's because of how I cook those sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot. Freeze them up, blend them, super silky smooth. The flavors of that clove and cinnamon and nutmeg just warm you up. I know I'm going to be enjoying this smoothie a ton this fall and winter season, and I hope you guys do too. And if you do and you try it, let me know how it goes down in the comment section below or on Facebook at The Plant-Based Gabriel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit the like button. If you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. Again, I'm Plant-Based Gabriel with my sweet potato smoothie. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and we will see you very soon.